Hello everyone, it's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Friday. How is everyone today? Um just thought I'd pop in real quick. I've got a couple appointments to go to this morning, but wanted to pop on real quick and just let you guys know what is up for what I'm going to be doing today. Um all the Christmas stuff is being taken down. I got my Kraken done. For those of you who didn't see the post, the Kraken is finished. And um, I have our book ready to go for Monday and the numbers to draw to start our birthstone blanket crochet along. And I'm getting things ready for the members only crochet along. So this afternoon, I will probably be busy recording those videos and getting them scheduled to go out for Monday and Tuesday. I'm so excited, guys. I have been hearing so much um, talk about both crochet alongs that I'm really excited. I think there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be joining in on this. Um, so far, I have 12 members in my memberships, and I would love to get that up to 20 and higher. So if you are able to and would love to place membership with Critters Crochet, that would be awesome. I would love for you to do that. Um, let's see. I probably should at some point. I should have already done it really, but I need to put out a video showing you guys how to do memberships, or just maybe a short on how to do that. I'll have to try and figure to see if I can work that out. But I would love for you guys to do that. And um, because for my members, I want to do, as we reach certain numbers of members, I want to do some giveaways. We're going to do start our crochet along Monday. Um, I want to do some, like, they're going to hear about things before you guys do, before everyone does. Specials coming out, things that I'm working on, different stuff like that. So, yeah, it's just going to be a lot of fun stuff going on over in the membership. So, if you're able to, I would love for you to place membership with my channel. Um, let's see. So, I'm going to work on those videos today to get ready for the crochet alongs that we're doing. Battle of the Stitches kicks off next week. It's our first Battle of the Stitches for 2026, and I'm so excited. We are doing the. I got all my stuff laying here, ready, getting ready for it. We're doing the turtle stitch for Battle of the Stitches, and we have Lori from Lori's Stories and Crochet and Charity from Frog Crochet that's going to be joining us this month. I cannot wait to see what they make and what Heather makes. I will have Lori and Charity's channels um, linked in the description box, so you can go check them out if you haven't. And if you are not if you're whether you're a content creator, good night. I can't talk today. Whether you're a content creator or not, we have a Facebook page called Battle of the Stitches. Make something with this stitch. Take a picture of it and put it in our post it on our Battle of the Stitches Facebook page. Because what we do is Heather keeps track of everyone who posts a picture, and every 4 months she will do a drawing from everyone who's posted pictures, and if your name is drawn, you're going to get some happy mail from either me or Heather. So be sure to make something. We would love to see what you make and post it on our Facebook page. So I already have my yarn picked out for what I'm going to make. And I'm going to be using, I've had this yarn for a while, and I thought this is a perfect time to get it out and use it. It's the Lion Brand Baby Soft, and it's a 3-weight yarn, acrylic, 60% acrylic, 40% nylon, and it is in the color name Little Boy Blue. So it's yarn soft, baby soft from Lion Brand in Little Boy Blue. So this is the yarn I'm going to be using for my Battle of the Stitches project starting next week. Wednesday, I will have the tutorial. Monday and Tuesday will be the memberships crochet along video coming out Monday for members only. Tuesday will be the crochet along first video coming out Tuesday for all of my subscribers. Wednesday, Battle of the Stitches, where I will be showing you how to do the turtle stitch. And then who knows what's coming up for Thursday and Friday? I have no idea. We will have to wait and see. But I'm really excited for what's going to be going on this year. Um, as I've shared with you before, Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher and I, we have lots of things planned for 2026. We are going to be continuing with our film to fiber. It's not going to be as often as it was last year. We have a few things going in our world right now. And so the way that Shannon and I are doing it, we're just going to, when we have a month where we say, hey, not a whole lot going on, you want to do film to fiber? Okay, let's do it. So it's just going to be a random whenever we have a free month to do it, where we have a not a free month, but when we have a month where we don't have a ton of stuff going on and we can devote it to that. So that's what we're going to do. And we will let you guys know plenty of time ahead of time when our next film to fiber will be. We've still got to discuss that and figure all of that out. We are still going to be doing a once a month, uh, every Thursday, Critter and Spoonie live. But we're also going to add something else to the mix. Starting in February, every Tuesday night, we are going to do our Tink Peel lives. And it is going to be super laid back. We're not going to have a topic. We are going to have a drink, something to snack on, and a crochet project. And we're going to work on our projects and we're going to just talk. And you guys can grab your projects and join in. Shannon and I, we do our lives through the platform called StreamYard. And when you go on StreamYard, you can also just get on video and talk without recording it and without going live. So there's been times where Shannon and I will just get on StreamYard and we'll work on a project and just talk. And if like, because like I've got this project and I just have to get it done, but I have to stay focused and get this project done. We will get on and just talk. And before we know it, our projects are finished. So we thought we would put that into our lives, and we're going to start doing that every Tuesday night. It'll be starting at 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern, and you can watch it on either one of our channels. And we're just going to, every Tuesday night, we're just going to crochet and chat and just see what we have to talk about. So we're going to be doing that with Shannon. I've been talking with some other content creators. I'm not ready to tell you who yet, but I've been talking to some other content creators about some collaborations. And so be watching out for those coming in the future for this year. I'm not sure when those are going to start, but I will let you know when we get things worked out. So I'm really excited to be collaborating with some other content creators. Today is Friday, so I should be getting my Knit Pal kit that has my cowl design. It should be coming in the mail today. So you may, yeah, I know there will be. This afternoon, once I get back home for my appointments and check my mail, I will have another video out this afternoon. I want to show you the kit and what all is in it. I am so excited about this. I cannot even begin to tell you guys. So, that'll come out this afternoon too. What else is going on? My sisters and I are already seeing the benefits of our friend Cindy taking care of my mom. Uh, we we have been able to just be at peace and be calm because we know someone else is over there watching her, and it's someone who is a nurse and knows what signs to look for and how to better help her. So, I was over there Wednesday, um, and I didn't go over there yesterday because I had to get caught up on stuff here. Had to finish this crazy cracking and get it done. I didn't have to have it done till the 15th of January, but there's so much starting up in January that I wanted to get that guy done now, so I didn't have to think about it. Um, but things are going real well with Mom. The the friend of ours who's helping us to watch her, she told me yesterday that she worked last night on making a pork chop dinner. Mom loves pork chops. So she's made her a whole big dinner with pork chops and veggies and potatoes and all kinds of stuff, and she's going to take that over to her today. So she's also cooking meals for her. It's just been a blessing. So things are going really well with that. Um and let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Our channel, let's just go ahead and do a check real quick at our numbers because I'm really excited, guys. Our channel is at, well, if I can get the right icon to hit, we are at 2,309, guys. That is awesome. So we've made the 2,300 mark. So this afternoon, when I come on and show you the Knit Pal kit, I will also, at the end of that video, I will show you, after we go through everything in the kit, I will show you the items that I'm putting in a box for the Road to 3,000 giveaway. So I'll be putting stuff in there, and every 100 subscribers, so when we get to 2,400, I'll put something else in the box. When we get to 2,500, I'll put something else in the box, and we will draw a name for all the out of all the subscribers to win that section. Then from 2,500 on to 3,000, I will add stuff to another box, and um, as we hit those 100 marks, like 2,600, 2,700, 2,800, 2,900, 3,000. And when we get to 3,000, I'll draw another name to win that box. So we're growing, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. The big push for me for 3,000 is because, and Twice Sheared Sheep, if you're listening and watching, I would love to be an affiliate with Twice Sheared Sheep. Um, Shannon and I have been talking, and we've got some fun stuff we want to do together to advertise for Twice Sheared Sheep. And you have to have 3,000 subscribers to be eligible um, to be an affiliate. They are very selective on who they choose as affiliates, and I want to work really hard for them. But I have to get to 3,000 subscribers to do that. So, and then Shannon, I announced this in one of my other videos this week. Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher, she has a big goal for 2026. And her big goal is by Christmas of 26, she wants to be at 8,000 subscribers. So, share out her channel, guys. Let all your friends know about Shannon and the Spoonie Stitcher, and let's get her channel to 8,000. While you're helping me get to 3,000, you can share my channel and hers out to all your buddies. So yeah, this year is my year to get my blanket designs done, uh, to hopefully get an affiliate with Twice Sheared Sheep, I hope. And just I've got lots of things that I want to accomplish. I would love to at some point get a website going. I would love for it to be this year. It might be 27, but I'm not rushing it. I'm taking it a step at a time. And I've got a friend helping me to write up some of my patterns for me. And so when I get those done, when those patterns get written up, and I get everything organized with that, I want to find a platform to sell my patterns on. I'm not sure what platform I want to go with. I would like to find something that doesn't have crazy fees attached to it. Don't know if that exists, but we're going to see and try and find it. If nothing else, I can sell my patterns through my website once I get that set up. So those are the big goals. The website, selling patterns, those are my big goals, and they don't have to happen this year. If they don't happen till next year, it's fine. Um, so yeah, I just wanted to come on here, guys, and just share a little bit with you this morning. Stay tuned this afternoon, and I will bring a video out to you showing my kit from KnitPal right now, and I will have it listed in the description box. But I'm not sure, we don't know how many they're going to have, but right now KnitPal has put out a coupon code, and I will have it in the description box. Let me find it real quick. Uh, Here we go. Um, New kits 30. If it's still available, they're only going to give it out. This is only going to be available to a certain select number of people. They did not tell us how many before they're going to cut off, but it's supposedly going to run through the 5th, which is Monday. So you have all weekend. If there's still coupons available, you can get my kit. Thomas at Fierce Totally Fierce Crochet has a kit of has a design in one of their kits too for tote bags. Mine is the crocheted cow. There's also a Tunisian cow. The Tunisian cow is not my design. My design is the crochet cowl. So go check them out and type in when you go to that when you go to checkout, you're going to type in new kits 30, and you can get 30% off the kit price. Um, so I will put that code in the description box too. So I'm going to get off of here. I've got to finish getting ready for my appointments. And I will see you guys this afternoon so I can show you the new kit. Yay! And I hope you guys have an amazing Friday. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.